Alright guys, today we are going to be reacting to Germany fast road construction renewal on the 24 hours. Damn, this is going to be crazy, right? Let's jump in and see what's going on. Man, they oh my god, they're basically on it, man. Yeah. You know what's crazy? This is very funny because I never understood how do they make the line so perfect. So this is actually very good. Oh, it's with a string. It's trigger. Oh, that's how they do it. Okay. They're ready to finish? Okay, where's the other team? Slow, right? Oh wow, that's kind of interesting. So basically, from what I can tell, and it's a big team, man, working on that road. Wow. So this is not the funny part. The funny part is this one. Where is it? Right here. You see the people here on the left? That is so funny, man. I can guarantee you that they don't see the time goes by, right? They just there. 24 hours, wow. Oh. You know what's the thing about these things? You cannot mess it up. You cannot mess this stuff up. You can't. They have to do it all the way to the end. All the way to the end, probably until here. Oh, probably with that. Well, here they already have the lines, right? So it might be up to here. But that's a lot of work, folks. A lot of work. See what people say about this. Even the road lane markings are done immediately. In my country, they do this after month. Yeah, that's a lazy country. Yeah, in the United States, and in the US, it takes 6 months and twice as many people. Yeah. The unions are very strong here, so they probably have everybody and their mama just working in that little road thingy. Let's see. Great video of this quick construction site. Thumbs up. Reading from Onimedia. What? Onimedia? What is that? That one's a big ass liquid paper dispenser. Yeah, it is. Indeed. That would never happen here in Australia. Really? It is done too quickly and not enough traffic disruption done there. What? Oh, I mean, it's done too quickly. Like, I mean, the video is done too quickly and not enough traffic disruption down there. Yeah. They do paving a lot different than the States. Unless you're in the state of Michigan, they have multi-axe combination unit. Interesting. Really? Really? I didn't know that. Why spray water on the blinder course though? I'm guessing it's to avoid the pavement to get dry. That's what I was thinking. Or it might be too hot. It might be too hot. You never know, right? Let me see. God, in Poland, it would take like a month to finish this 4-kilometer part road. Yeah, some country it take forever. It's because some of these folks are getting paid by the hour, not by the job, right? So that's why it takes a lot of time. It's just their way to make sure they can just keep their job. In my opinion, that's how I see it. In my opinion. But let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. I would love to hear you guys' opinion. If there's some, I would love to know if there's some people from Austria and Switzerland that can tell me, right? If you guys do it the same as Germany, I would love to know. In the meantime, guys, I'll see you.